Today, we are here testing the Bissell wired vacuum cleaner and Vistefly cordless vacuum cleaner. This video will show us which one is more suitable for daily household cleaning. So, let us begin from the price of both. The price of Bissell wired vacuum is about $285 and Vistefly is $179. Attention please, promotion will lead to some prices to fluctuate slightly. This is for reference only. So, let us take a look at the Bissell machine, whose main function is vacuuming and mopping. Look at the appearance of the machine. Its dust cup is relatively large and it weighs about, I think, only 7.5 kg. The upper and lower parts are used to hold clean water, clean agent, and sewage after mopping. The ground brush with a soft velvet roller brush and the floating brush just only can clean the floor, which leads to its simple function. Vistefly cordless vacuum cleaner has more features than Bissell. The machine with 5 brushes can be freely combined to pick up dirt and clean a corner. It looks slimmer. It's about 1.5 kg. The colors of the two machines are different. Bissell has 5 meters long wire, and Vistefly is wireless, which also is up to 40 minutes runtime in regular mode. Bissell machine tested milk and 1 large leads 2 drinks. As you can see, it's very fast and clean, and Vistefly cannot suck up drinks. Its function is just to pick up the dust on the floor. Picking up the coarse green and the green bean is very easy for Vistefly, so the Vistefly machine has a good vacuuming function. Both of them have a strong ability to suck up hair if they have clean dust needs. You can consider it. Vistefly is a cordless vacuum cleaner which has the suction power of 22,000 pounds, so it's perfect for all daily household cleaning. The advantage of a wired vacuum cleaner is that the power is large enough, and you don't have to worry about lack of electricity. But the battery of Vistefly can be removed if run down, and you can replace it with another one. The noise of Bissell vacuum cleaner is relatively loud, nearly 100 dB after testing. Noisy loud is a common problem with wired vacuum cleaners. When mopping the floor, you can clearly feel that the ability to grip is very strong, but it cannot clean stubborn smudge. To sum up, the Bissell wired vacuum cleaner has a good mopping function, but it cannot clean stubborn smudge. Vistefly also has a strong vacuum function. So, if there is a demand for mopping, you can choose Bissell. It's an ordinary family more clean dust needs. You can consider Vistefly. Thanks.